If you want to enable or disable location tags on the Realme 14T, then first of all we need to open the camera. Now over here in the top right corner, tap on these three lines and go to settings. Once you open camera settings, you should be able to find add location tags option, which of course can be enabled or disabled by tapping on the switcher. If you decide to turn it on, then you need to grant the permission for the camera in order to use these settings. If you press set and nothing happens, then we're gonna go back to the phone and we're gonna open settings. Then we can go to apps, go to app management, and then over here find camera. Now you should be able to go to permissions, tap on location, it should be under not allowed, and then we can choose while using the app. And after that you should be able to turn on add locations. If it's still not working, let's just try to close the camera app. Let's go again to the settings. Unfortunately, it seems to be not working for me, but this is how we can find the setting. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.